Yes, hello everyone. I greet you whatever time zone you have today again. Welcome back to this YouTube channel for you best things. Today again, we are going to look at something briefly about the research topic to published work. How you can the step to step way you can now get your published work and on your research topic. And if you can see the other one, we last see we last saw in the previous video, it was about downloading the published work, like the oral article, and this one is just the same procedure, but just one different that I'm going to do. And you can see that from here, um, when we talk of it, uh, the the research topic to published work is here, is what we're going to do. And what I'm going to show is just a step-by-step process from topic to finding relevant sources. You have to get the source which is relevant. Yeah. So in this case, you have to go straight. You see, you go to your Google. And in this case, we are still going to use the Google Scholar. Yes, because now we take like we're still going to get on the academic work on the academic documents. So just let's be there and see what's going to do in Sarag. And this one I know is not going to be something very hard for you, because we shall now be repeating ourselves on certain things. So which this is why you say with the computer you start from small and and at a certain point you find yourself just doing great. Yeah, that is it. So in this case, um, let us see and see what we are going to do. Now, let us go to our Google, and we have to supply the knowledge that we have so that you can get those, you can make a research when you have been given, you have chosen or you have a topic you want to do the research on. So this is where we have those phases that you can be able to interact and find a topic relevant ones. So you can see here. So we, as we said, if you when now we have our thing, we say how to download the step by step way to another research topic. So we say, is this one is still going to use the Google Scholar because you want to get academic one. But if you want to go and make a research on on a health issue, you can go to PubMed. Yes, as you can say, the way you can get a relevant resource, because here is mostly for scholars. So here we go and see which topic are you like looking for. So we say we are looking at a topic about let's say the effects or the influence, let's say the impact of the new curriculum in secondary education in Uganda. Yes, this is a topic you want to go and make research on. So this is the way we do it. So if you are done, this is still bringing us the recent year. So we can't now take time to, let's say, to go and custom the name, because here is recent 5 years difference of around of at once 5 years. Yeah. So here I say teachers perception on implementing the revised lower secondary curriculum in secondary school in Uganda. A focus on emerging issues of the copying strategies. Here we say the impact of universal secondary education policy on education service. So now, um, here is what we say the impact of new curriculum the revised flower, yes, and it's this one. So we click on it. You see, this is now the research we are going to do about, and the steps is just the same as the other one, but now it's just to give us greater idea and a better knowledge on how to do. So this is here is the abstract. It was published on the, as you can see here, 2024 on the on March 29th. So this is the thing. So the abstract, see, this study explored teachers' perception of implementation of complementary-based curriculum CBC in lower secondary school in Uganda. So those are the things that you can use and use to interact or get with the hand-to-hand with the articles to support. So when you have here, you come and read. You come and read here, and here are the citation. Here are the references. You can still go and find more works from there. So now what they are saying, she's here. So it's simply how you can get this abstract study. Here is the way you can now begin when you think and your topic be relevant, and when you need it's very easy for you to support and defend your work. So for example, let's say in what they give here is references also for you to do. Let's say the references here are the reference. So when you click here, you will again get more of the thing. Here is talking about the vocational, and here is saying this Kenya, but you are meaning in Uganda. So let's say, yeah, but still those are the thing what I'm meaning. So the same thing you do is come here, you press to download, the same thing you do here, you press download, and here you are your things. So say volume, this is what we have downloaded. So you can save, it's already downloaded, and we're able to go and say you open it. When you open, you read the same thing is what you are going to see. So guys, I just want to say thank you for everything that you're supporting this YouTube. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, so that it improves on our work that we are providing for you. So yeah, you want to say thank you again? We meet.